Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix game not using GPU in Windows 11. So very easily you can fix it. So first we need to click on start, and in this screen you need to open settings. You see this, so open it. If you not see this screen in settings, so click on all apps, and here find settings and open it. An easy way, you search these settings and open it. Now click on display. Now scroll down and this graphics, click on it. Now in Microsoft Store, if you don't see Microsoft Store, so search it Microsoft Store and just click on it Microsoft Store in, just click on it and option, and you see select this high performance, and you see this GPU performance. This GPU will be enabled. Now click on save. Now close it. So very easily you can fix game not using GPL in Windows 11. So very easily you can fix it. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.